Welcome to Empower with Pulkit, where creativity meets simplicity. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of graphic design. Whether you're an aspiring designer or just curious about the craft, you're in the right place. Imagine being able to communicate 1,000 words with a single image, to tell a story through colors and shapes. That's the power of graphic design. It's not just about making things look pretty, it's about creating a visual language that speaks directly to the soul. As we embark on this journey, we'll uncover the essential tools that make a design not just good, but great. We'll explore how contrast, balance, and alignment transform a blank canvas into a masterpiece. And we'll do it all with a beginner-friendly approach, ensuring you can follow along no matter your starting point. Remember, every pro was once a beginner, and every masterpiece started as a simple sketch. So let's unleash your potential and paint the digital canvas with your unique ideas. If you've enjoyed this sneak peek into the world of graphic design, don't forget to hit that like button. Your support fuels this channel's growth and empowers more creative minds like you. And if you're eager for more insights and tips, subscribe and join our community of innovators. Together, let's empower with Pulkit.